Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. This is chapter number 2 from your science textbook here. If you remember that we learned in detail about the atoms. So what are atoms? We know very well. Now on this page 20, we have the second part, or you can say that the last part that we discuss today from this page. These are symbols. What are symbols? It's very easy to understand. So I'm going to start reading from here. Each atom has its name, first thing. So before to start, you know that as you have your own name in your home, everyone, maybe your brother, your sister, all have their own names and chemical symbols, but not like any symbols. We're just going to write our name, and sometimes or mostly we're going to sign that these are our, okay, you can say that as we're going to write our name in our own way. So these are our signatures. So our signatures are just belong to ourselves, not to anyone else. Okay, so the signature, you can say that just like a fingerprints, it's more convenient for you to understand. So every atom has its name. The name also have its symbol. So symbols, like you can say that the fingerprints or signature. Yes, Riyad, why you raise your hand? Yes, my dear.
Mr. Page number one, no, not page.
Yes. Page number 220. I know.
Listen what, Mr.
Yes.
Listen what his name of listen, Mr.
Lesson number 2, my dear, from your textbook, page number 20, lesson number 2. The student, they just joined the meeting. Please open the link. They will understand more about it. Okay. Now, after explaining about little bit symbols, most symbols are taken from the English name. Some are based on their later names also. For example, you can see here in front of you, the name of an atom is written here, hydrogen. It's very easy. You can see this one easily. This one, that is the hydrogen. So the symbol of hydrogen is capital H. Understand? Okay. Second atom, its name is helium. Okay. So when you're going to sign or you're going to write, instead of writing the complete name of helium, you're just going to write He. The first letter should be capital like H, and the second letter of the name E in smaller letter. So you name He as helium. Third one is nitrogen, that is capital N. When you're going to write neon, first letter again N capital, but the second letter E. Okay, so this the symbol of neon. Next you move to an oxygen, that is capital O. Next is chlorine, that is capital C and then small l, chlorine. After that you move to iron, that is Fe. So it's not the English name of iron, that is ferrous or ferret, you can say that. Next is copper. Okay, so for this you write Cu, not Co. Okay, keep it in your mind. This comes from cuprous. Then is lead, that means Pb, that is the symbol of lead. Okay, keep it in your mind, because their name in like sodium that start with Sa, but when we're going to write sodium, what we write Na, capital N and small a. Same like this iron, but that is start with Ir, but we write Fe, because these names that we write, these are English, but the searcher and the founder name was that time maybe in Latin. Okay, understand? Or Greek or in other languages. But when we're going to write their symbols, that should be in the same form. The symbols are never ever going to change. Okay, so till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Everyone, quickly. Well done, very nice, excellent. Now we are here almost 17 students, but I received only 3, now 6. Well done. Very nice. Excellent. Need the response from everyone because I know that these students are one of the excellent students from the school. I know all of you very well. That's good. Thank you very much. They show me the sum also. That's nice. Thank you very much for your appreciation. Okay. There are a couple of assignments, so you can easily solve them. Number one, which atom have symbol based on their later name? So you can easily find out. Yeah. Okay. Why is helium symbol He, not H? So you know that the question here, the question number 1 and question number 2. So the letter name in front of you, like iron, copper, and like these are the letter names. But here, for example, in hydrogen and in case of helium, these are in front of you going to tell us the hydrogen name. Why only capital H? Because it's the first letter. But when you're going to write helium, so you need also the second letter, that is E. So that's going to give a difference between hydrogen and helium. Understand? So here, notice that you always use a capital letter for the first letter of a symbol. If the symbol has a second letter, it is always a smaller letter. For example, including like Cu, copper, Fe, iron, and Ne, neon. Hope everyone understands till here and you enjoy this lesson. It's basically the new thing about the chemistry. Please, everyone, if have any question, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. And now I'm going to take you on the link that just I share with you. So the student, they just joined the meeting. Please open the link that just I share and the same window will pop up in front of you. Okay. Thank you very much. That's great. Excellent, my dear. Now, I'm going to start a simple reading of this, so that will make the idea more clear and it's more easy wording here. Elements are represented by symbols, which are abbreviations of the elements. A symbol is taken from the name of that element in English, Latin, Greek, or German, whatever that time they know about this. If it is one letter, it will be capital as H for hydrogen, H is capital, N for nitrogen, capital N for nitrogen, and capital C for carbon. You have many other examples. In case of two letters, symbols, first letter is capital and the second will be smaller, like Ca, calcium for calcium, Na for sodium, and Cl for chlorine. So all these things are mentioned here. These are in front of you. Here you have a couple of examples like H, hydrogen, He, helium, Li, lithium, B for boron, C for carbon, N, nitrogen or oxygen, S, sulfur, Cl, calcium, Cl, chlorine, Ca, calcium, this Ne, neon, Ar, argon, Na, sodium, Mg, magnesium, K, potassium. So all these names are mentioned here with their symbols. So my dear students, till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Everyone, quickly. Yes. Okay. Well done. Very nice. That's great. Excellent, my dear. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you very much. Okay. That's great. Excellent.